Okay, fuddies, how are you? They say, how are you today? Just checking, making sure everything's working alright. Everything's working alright, son. Make sure everything's working alright. I need to turn it away that way. Catch the... Oh no, what the fuck? I got the camera on backwards, you wanker! What a fucking wanker. Fucking MD or what? Put the camera on. You're reckless. You're knobbers. You're fucking knobbers. Good job I looked in the mirror, son. Right, let's try it again. Now the camera's in the right fucking way around, eh? I'm fucking clever, me. No flies on this boy. No flies on this boy, son. Come on, son. Let's have a look at Wilma. Wilma's in the basket. Wilma's in the hole. There she goes. Let's go outside in the sunlight for a bit. This fucking stinking sun gives me a stinking headache. And roll out here in the sun again. Go for a little stroll round the garden again. Inspect the fucking roses. Only 2 bushes left. 2 bushes out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 out of 6. Because these are a little bastard. Used to scrape me every time I cut the grass. But now we've got the magic robot. This is the shitty part of the garden. That's the shitty dog. There's PD picking up the shit. Uncle Petey's having to pick the shit up. Because apparently these dogs only shit and I have to pick them up. Apparently there's nobody else in the household knows how to pick shit up, apart from me. I'm a highly skilled person. Expert shit picker-upper. Nothing down here. Nothing down there. Nothing down there. No, I think it's all clear. You're going to do a quick shit for me, Wilma? Hey, you going to do a quick shit for me? Do a quick shit for your dad, eh? No, alright then. You can hear the birdies tweeting in there. Oh, it's going to go quiet. Alright. Go quiet. Here's the summer house. The summer house where we play chess sometimes, and Grandmaster Radford always wins. Oh. Okay, let's go back indoors. Picked up local poo. Put the poo in the bin. She doesn't like me putting it in here, but what she can't see, she can't know about. Ha! I'll turn the camera off.